The secret to cooling high-temperature workshops efficiently is using industrial energy-saving air conditioners. This industrial AC saves energy, compact, does not use floor space, and can be ceiling mounted for localized cooling. Our jet flow model provides air supply. Blows air 18 to 20 meters easily, ideal for local workshop cooling. Now, it features an industrial-grade scroll compressor. It performs stably and quietly, with more cooling power and airflow than standard units. The outdoor unit is water-cooled, delivering high efficiency, and uses over half the electricity of central ACC. During scorching summers, or if your factory suffers from high temperatures and stuffiness and needs targeted cooling, Typhoon's Jetstream industrial energy-saving AC is the ideal solution.